we've got a little gift for you, and I think your mum's hiding that gift somewhere for you at the moment. So we'll get her to bring you that gift, and you can see what we've been able to do for you today.
Okay. It's close by.
You're ready, Sam, to see your gifts?
Yeah. Thanks.
Here you are.
Thanks for facing down this. I'm going to try it on. Thank you.
You're welcome. So you can exercise with this, Sam. You know, you can do all your activities with that.
Well, thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
What else have you got there, Sam?
Yeah, what else do you have?
Let's have a look. Wow, look at that. Awesome. Thank you, Downers.
Drink bottles. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there should be enough.
Yes.
Yeah, there is something else, right?
Then thanks, sir.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at
Wow. Empty check, and what are we going to put on it? We're going to put your...
that. We're going to put some money on that for you.
Yes.
And we're going to write, hey, Sam, $1,500, $1,500 to help you on your next event.
Yeah, right.
Wow. Wow, all right.
And we're so pleased to have you now down at the Lights program as well, Sam. And I think, you know, you're an amazing young man and you've achieved some wonderful accomplishments throughout. And I think you've got a fantastic career ahead of you. And we're going to be there, as I said, cheering from the sidelines for you. So just wanted to say congratulations and have a very Merry Christmas.
Wow.
Well, thank you. Merry Christmas to you too.